So, good day everyone. So, our topic for today is source equivalence. So, in a source equivalence, there are two types of theorem. So, we have Norton's theorem and Thevenin's theorem. So next we have to solve the Norton's theorem. So, we have the given this diagram 15 volts. Our R1 is 25 ohms, R2 equals 55 ohms, and R3 equals 56 ohms, and our RL is 62 ohms. 62 ohms. So first we have to remove the load of voltage. So we have this diagram. So to get the resistance of Norton, we have this solution. This 56 ohms plus 25 ohms parallel into 55 ohms, then distribute. So we have 56 ohms plus 25 times 55 over 25 plus 55, and our answer is 73.19, our Norton's theorem, our resistance. So next we have to solve the current. So we have this formula. I equals V over R. Substitute the given. So we have 15 volts over 25 plus 56 times 55 over 56 plus 55 ohms. So our answer is 0.28 amperes. So next, to solve the IN, the Norton's current, we have the formula I times R2 over R2 plus R3. So substitute the given. So 0.28 amperes times 55 ohms over 56 plus 55 ohms. So our answer is 0.14 amperes. So next is we have to change the diagram. So our IN is equals to 0.14. Our Rn is 73.19 ohms. So to get the IL, we have the current solution. IN times Rn over Rn plus RL. So substitute the given. We have 0.14 amperes times 73.19 ohms over 73.19 plus 62 ohms. So our final answer is 0.076 amperes. First, we have to solve the Norton's theorem. So here is our given diagram. So our given voltage is 15 volts. Our R1 is 25 ohms. R2 equals 55 ohms. R3 equals 56 ohms. R4 equals 62 ohms, and our RL is equals to 62 ohms. So first we have this diagram. So we have to remove the load, the RL. So to calculate the R1, so we have this formula. We have so substitute the given. We have R3 and our R1. So 56 times 25 over 56 plus 25 ohms is equals to 17.28 ohms in R1. So next we have to calculate the I1, the current. So we have the formula V over R1. So our voltage is 15 volts, and our R1 is equals to 17.28 is so substitute the given. So we have the answer 0.87 amperes. So next we have to solve the R total of 2, 3, and 4. So our diagram is a series circuit. We have this formula. Answer 56 plus 55 plus 62 is equals to 173 ohms. You have to add the R1, the R2, 3, and 4. So next we have to calculate the current, the I2, we have the formula R1 times I1 over R2, 3 and 4. So substitute the given. We have 25 R1. Our R1 is 25 ohms times I1 is equals to, here is 0.87 amperes over our R2, 3 and 4 is equals to 173. Then our answer in current 2 is 0.13 amperes. So now we have the current I2. So we have to solve the voltage, the Thevenin's voltage. So we have 0.13 times 62 is equals to 62.13 voltage. So next we have to solve the Thevenin's resistance. So here is our diagram. So we have to remove the load again. So our solution is, we have 25 times 55 over 56 plus 62 plus 55 parallel into 62 ohms. So we have to calculate. So this is a phase of to calculate this resistance. So we have 25 times 62 over 25 plus 62. And then our answer is 17.18 ohms. We have the R resistance Thevenin's. So next so now we have the Thevenin's resistance. So we have to change the diagram. So our voltage is Thevenin's voltage is 62.13. So we have this answer. So our Thevenin's resistance is 17.18 ohms. Then our RL is given 62 ohms. So to calculate the IL, we have the formula V over Thevenin's resistance plus RL. So substitute the given. So we have the voltage 62.13 and over 17.18 Thevenin's resistance plus 62 ohms, the RL. So our final answer is 0.76 amperes.